Do you know why people buy gold and light diyas on Dhanteras? It's not just about shopping, it's about two magical stories from ancient times. So let's travel back thousands of years to discover the real reason behind the Dhanteras. So, long ago, the gods and demons decided to churn the great ocean to find treasures, which is hidden deep inside it. So they used the mighty Mount Mandra as a churning stick and Vasuki the serpent as a rope. They churn, and churn. So many treasures come out, which were precious gems, divine animals, and magical things. But suddenly, a golden light filled the sky. From the ocean emerged Lord Dhanvantari, the divine doctor of the gods, holding a kalash of Amrit, the nectar of immortality. The god cheered Dhanvantari Bhagwan ki jai because he brought the gift of health and long life to the world. That's why on Dhanteras people pray for good health and buy gold and silver as the symbol of prosperity and well-being. But wait, that's just one part of the story. The second story is even more amazing. When a clever queen outsmarted the god of death himself. So let's hear it. Once there was lived a king and powerful ruler named King Hema. When his son was born, royal astrologers studied his stars and were shocked. They said, Maharaj, on his 16th birthday, a snake sent by Lord Yam will bite the prince and end his life. The king and queen were devastated. But time passed and their little prince grew up brave and loving. When he turned 16, he married a wise and loving princess. The princess loved her husband very deeply. When she heard about the prophecy, she smiled and said, Don't worry, my love. I have an idea. Even Yum wouldn't defeat me. That night, she made her husband sit in their room and didn't let him sleep. Then she gathered all her gold jewelry, silver coins, and treasure and piled them near the doorway. She lit hundreds of diyas, their warm lights glowed throughout the palace. The air smelled of flowers and sandalwood. She sat by her husband's side, singing songs and telling stories all night long. But at midnight, Lord Yam, the god of death, appeared as a snake. He slid it toward the prince's chamber, but oh no! The dazzling light of the golden diyas blinded him. Curious, Yam looked through the doorway and saw the princess keeping her husband awake. Her eyes full of love, her heart full of courage. The snake quietly sat there listening to her stories and forgot all about biting the prince. When the morning sun rose, Yam time was over, and the prince was alive. Her love and wisdom had defeated death itself. And from that day on, people began celebrating Dhanteras by buying gold and silver like the prince's wealth and lighting diyas to keep away the darkness and death. It became a day to pray for health, happiness, and long life in memory of the two great moments. So Lord Dhanvantari bringing health from the ocean and the brave queen bringing light and love to her home. So it's not just gold, it's wisdom, love, and light that protect us. So next time you light a diya on Dhanteras, remember you are lighting the same lamp that once scared away Lord Yam himself. Do you know any other stories about Dhanteras? Tell us in the comment sections. Thank you.